In this video, we're going to be looking at the highest common factor, and this example has 100 and 120. So we're looking for the largest number that will divide into 100 and 120 with no remainder. We could take 100 and look at all of the factors, 2 and 50, 3, no, 4, and so on. Like this can take a long time, and we often miss some. What's the other? Is it 10? We might miss some pairs, and this is a square number, so it's just got a single one here. And the same for 120. There's loads. So we tend to, instead of that, we use a Venn diagram, and we put in here the prime factors. Okay, so you can refer to a previous video to look at the prime factors, but I'm going to assume that you know how to do that at this stage. I can get these off the calculator by pressing equals and then shift fact button. So if your calculator has a fact button, 2 squared times 5 squared. So 2, 2, 5, 5. That's going to go in my 100 circle. And 120 equals shift fact. We've got 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. So 2 cubed, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. Yes, there we go. That's our 120 circle. And then in the exam, you would pair these up, cross, and put it in the middle. We've got another pair of 2s that goes in the middle, and then we have a pair of 5s, so they go in the middle. I'm just going to rub these out to make it look a bit clearer, like that. And we can see that we've got the same numbers, but they're just paired up in the middle. And to find the HCF, all we do is we take the ones in the middle and we multiply them. So 2 times 2 times 5, that is our HCF. 2 times 2 is 4, times 5 is 20. So if I do the factors of 120 to the side here, you'll see that there's quite a few. 4 goes with 30, 5 and 24, 6 and 20, 8 and 15, 10, and like, you do not want to be doing this in the exam, okay? But in this case, I just did this to highlight to us that 20 is the biggest number that appears in both. 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 4, 5, 10, they're all common factors, but we want the highest common factor. So that's what HCF means. It's the biggest number that will divide into both of these.